Good evening, welcome to Ms.STREET Math. So today in this video I am going to start a new chapter called Prime Time. So in this chapter I am going to start with a concept called common multiples and common factors. So first I am going to start with the common factors. So for this I am taking some examples. 12 and 16. So 12 is a multiple of 4, right? 4 3s are 12. For 16, 4 4s are 16. So you can observe here 4 is a multiple of both 12 and 16. So it is a common factor. So 4 is a common factor. For both 12 and 16. Not only 4, we can also, there are a lot of common factors for those numbers. For 12, for 1 12s are 12, 4 3s are 12, and 2 times 6, and for 16, 1 times 16, 4 4 16, 2 8 16. So not only this, there are a lot of multiples of 16 and 12, but I am taking this to show not only 4 is a common factor of those 12 and 16 numbers, but also there are 2 is a common factor and 1 is a common factor, and even 4 is a common factor. 1 is a common factor of all the numbers. So here 1 and 2, and here 4. So all these numbers are common factors of 12 and 16. I hope you get understand about the concept of common factors of two numbers and common multiples. For common multiples, they have mentioned one example. With that example I am going to explain. So here the multiples of 3, all these are multiples of 3, and all these are multiples of 5, but 30 and 15 or the numbers are multiplied by both 3 and 5, so they are named as a common multiples of 3 and 5. So I'll tell with another example even for you. So I'm taking 2 and 5. So for 2 and 5, so these are the multiples of 5 and multiples of 2. Here 10 and 20 are the common multiples of those 2 and 5. These are the common multiples of 2 and 5. So this is a concept of common multiples. I hope you guys get understood with the both concept called common multiples and common factors, and I'm moving to the another concept. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers or multiple by 1 and the number itself. Prime numbers are 1 and the number itself. So these are known to be a numbers called prime numbers. Numbers that have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. So there are examples like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. All these numbers are the multiples of 1 and the number itself. Multiples of 1 means 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, like this, all multiples of 1, and number itself means 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So they have only 2 factors. Those are 1 and the number itself, or the factors of prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers. And next, the composite numbers. Composite numbers you can blindly get remembered of the numbers which are not prime numbers. The numbers which are not prime numbers are known to be a composite numbers. So you can just watch. Here the number 1 is neither prime number or a composite number, so we neglect in prime numbers and composite numbers. We don't add 1 as a numbers. Okay. For composite numbers, the numbers which are not prime numbers and the rest of all the numbers are known to be a composite numbers. You can observe here 2, 3, 4. So 4 is a composite number. Here the 4 is not a prime number because 4 is a multiple of 2. 2 2s are 4. I already informed that prime numbers are the numbers which should be only the multiples of 1 and the number itself. Those are known to be a prime numbers. And for composite numbers, you can blindly get remembered the numbers which are prime numbers are not composite numbers, and the rest of all the numbers are known to be a composite numbers. So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. These numbers are known to be a composite numbers. So I'm moving to the another concept called co-prime numbers for safekeeping treasures. So what are the co-prime numbers? So 2 numbers are said to be a co-prime numbers to each other if they have no factors other than 1. So for example, 4 and 16, 4 and 3. I'm taking examples 4 and 3. So 2 2s 4. For 3, 1 3 is 3. And also 1 4 is 4. So for 4, the only multiples is 2 2s 4 and the number itself 1 4 the 4. So for 3, 1 3 is a 3. So here the common factor you can observe 1 is only the common factor. So here the 4 and 3 are the numbers belong to co-prime numbers. If 2 numbers that have only one common factor, 1 as a common factor, so those numbers are known to be a co-prime numbers. 2 numbers are said to be co-prime to each other if they have no common factor other than 1. So here there are no common factors like 2, 3, 4 other than 1. Like, so here the 1 is only the only common factor, so we can tell 4 and 3 are the co-prime numbers. So Look, for 15 and 39 example they have mentioned already. For 15 and 39 we can observe for 15 5 3s 15, and for 13 13 3s are 39. So here you can observe 3 other than 1. The rest of all numbers factors, here the factor for 15 and 39 is 3. So we can't tell that 15 and 39 are non-co-prime numbers. Here the 15 and 39 are non-co-prime numbers because the common factor is 3. We can't take 15 and 39 as a co-prime numbers because there is no common factor other than 1. There is a common factor other than 1, so we can't assume 15 and 39 as co-prime numbers. I hope you guys get understood what are the co-prime numbers. So as 15 and 39 have 3 as a common factor, they are not co-prime. Co-prime numbers, for co-prime numbers there should be a common factor only 1. Other than the numbers which are the common factor, they are assumed to be a non-co-prime numbers. So for 4 and 9 are co-prime. For 4 2 2s and also for 1s, 3 3s, 9 1s. So here the 1 is a common factor. If we get 1 as a common factor, so they are known to be a co-prime numbers. So these are the co-prime numbers. And with this the video is completed. I hope you guys get understood. Stay tuned for another video for more concept. Bye.